I am Robert. I run a taxi fleet. Every day, I tried to keep things under control, but the more cars I had, the more chaotic it got. I had no idea who was actually working and who was just driving around on my dime. Many platforms and data sources, dozens of files, chats, and nothing that pulled it all together. Until I connected My Taxi CRM, unique global all-in-one platform for fleet management. Now I've got everything in one place. All ride-hailing platforms are connected. I see it all online. Bookings, statuses, performance, live GPS tracking. Every driver, every car in real time. Scheduler lets me plan shifts, even with mixed work models. Handing off or returning cars? Just a few clicks. No mess, no mistakes. When it comes to money, I see the full picture, no matter what model we use. Rent, crew, buyout, investor, or mixed, the system handles it. And it goes further. Fuel usage, charging costs, tolls, fines, all the partner data is right there, ready when I need it. Thanks to My Taxi CRM, I've boosted efficiency by 30%. And now I can scale my business without the chaos. Start earning more. Book your free demo today. My Taxi CRM, when your fleet works for you.